lovely people, wonderful to see you again. I'm glad you stopped by, and today's video is going to be all about my Sephora haul. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you and welcome, and don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below so you'll be notified of future videos. So anyways, here's my haul box, and you know what, I got some really cool stuff. I did some off-the-wall stuff, and you know what, I just wanted to share it with you. So let's open it up and let's see and let's share with you. All this little papery stuff in here is wonderful. So first up, I got from Tarte is their creaseless concealer brush right here. And you know what? I love these new paddle brushes. They're like the Artiste. But this one I've heard a lot about. And, you know, just to get it under right in here, to get that perfect, you know, flawlessness. Let me get it out of the box. And you know what? I saw this and I just had to grab it. It was on sale. And look at that baby. Soft like butter. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that handle. And look at that. That's a nice paddle right there. And it says Tarte on it. So I'm going to be loving this one. And I'm really glad that I got this and I picked it up. Next up I got is Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is from the Perfect Peach collection, and I really like, you know, the white peach and all that. So I wanted to give this a whirl, and it's infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Look at that. Really cute packaging, and this is in the color Natural Beige. So let me open up and show you what the container looks like. Here you are. Really cute. Look at this. And it has a little pump on it. Look at that. So I'm going to be doing some really nice looks with these things. And you know what? I think I might do a Get Ready With Me again. You never know, there might be something coming down the pike. Then, just because I just really like this, and this is from, it's a little silly, it's from Taste Labs, and it's Succulent Lip Balm. And I just thought it was the cutest thing, and I just decided to jump on and take a whirl at it. You know, it's a nicely priced point, but it's a lip balm, which you know we're coming into the winter months, so we can always use that. But it says on the bag right here, can't touch this. And look at this, it's a little succulent, it's a little cactus. And you just twist it off, and there it is. And it has a nice little soft watermelon scent to it. I really like this. And on the pot portion of it, it says, let's see if I can get it in there. It says, can't touch this. I just think this is the cutest thing. And imagine, you know, sitting this, you know, working from home or at the office and having that just there. And it looks so cute. It looks like a decoration. And then you just go, shoo. I think big thumbs up. You know, you got to get playful one of these days, you know. Next up I have is Glow Recipe Blueberry Bones Gentle Cleanser. I am loving Glow Recipe, and this is their blueberry version of it. This is a pump cleanser. Look at this. A little goes a long way, and you can use it, and it's gentle, which is really cool. There it is. Let me see if I can get it in there. There we are. And I think, look at the inside of this too. Look at that. And it has a little bit, let me see if it has a really nice scent. I couldn't do it. And it has a really soft scent. It's not overpowering. And you just do one little squirt, rub it in, and wash it off, and you're good to go. And you can use this day and night. And you can use it in conjunction with other Glow recipes. And this is a makeup erasing deep cleansing. Look at that. So I like those. There's like I like balms and all that just break down your makeup so you don't have to scrub the ooby-jeebies out of them. Let me tell you. Next up I have is Glow Recipe, and this is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. As I was saying, look at this. And I'm liking this one. This one is, let's see if I can get it out. And you just use a little bit in the palm of your hand and just squish it in your face and let it do its work. And let's get it out of here. And then inside it has, right there, papaya. I just love it. The Hey Glow Gang. No, He Glow Gang. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. And I'm just loving this one too. Melt stubborn makeup and smooth skin from the start of your routine with this PEG free cleansing balm. The plant-based hydrating sorbet effortlessly dissolves makeup. So I'm really happy. So you could use both of these. This one I would use for the deep dive right here. And then this one is a cleanup and do in the morning. I think between those two, you will have some really nice, beautiful skin. I think it'll be refreshed and nurtured and, you know, neutralized from all that day's junk on it. I think this is a big thumbs up. And last but not least, I was contemplating whether I should get this or not, and I finally decided, you know what, I'm going to dive in. It's speaking to me. I don't know why, but look what I got. The Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. Oh, I'm just dying. I haven't opened it up yet, and I'm just waiting for that smell. And you know, this is one of those smelloramas, which Too Faced is really, look at this. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And look at this. Oh, these are just speaking to me. Look at those colors. So I think this is my big find, and I'm glad I picked it up. It is a little on the pricey side, but you know what? I just had to do it. And it has that little scent of pumpkin spice, but not overwhelming like some of the other stuff that you get. This one I think is really beautiful, and I'll be doing a deeper dive on this one as well. And then I got my two freebies, which you remember you always put in there. I've got my Suwasu Gentle Cleansing Oil, my little sample right there. Let's see if it's showing up there. And then I've got my Skin Longevity Lifelong Herb Serum from Bare Minerals right there. So, you know, you always like to have these little freebies every once in a while, and you just pick them up because that's part of what Sephora is all about. So anyways, I hope you like my haul, and let me know if you have any of these items and what your thoughts are. And I'll leave a link below for everything, and you have a fabulous day, and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.